Today we're going to be doing the review for chapter 12. We're going to get ready for our test tomorrow. We're going to start with a vocabulary check. Draw each shape. So our first one asks us to draw a hexagon. We know a hexagon has 6 sides and 6 angles. So I'm going to draw a hexagon as best I can. That one's not great either. 1, 2, 3. There we go. All right, and then next I'm going to draw a quadrilateral. That can be any shape with 4 sides and 4 angles. So I could draw a square, I could draw a trapezoid, I could draw a rhombus, draw a rectangle. I'm going to stick with a square. 4 sides and 4 angles. All right, match each word to the correct shape. So we're going to draw a line from our cone to the picture of our cone, from our pyramid to the picture of our pyramid, sphere, draw a line from our cube all the way up to our cube, from our cylinder to our picture of our cylinder, and then from our rectangular prism to our rectangular prism. When you are done with page 789, you can go on to page 790. All right, circle the shapes that match the name. Number 9, we're looking for any rectangles. We're going to circle any that have 4 sides and 4 angles. 2 of them are the same length and the other 2 are the same length. So that would be number 2 and number 4. Number 10, pentagon. We're going to circle any shapes with 5 sides and 5 angles. Again, that would be number 2 and number 4. Circle the shape that matches the description. 3 sides and 3 angles. That would be our triangle. Number 12, 6 sides and 6 angles. Be our hexagon. All right, write the name of the shape, then color the shapes that match. Number 13, that 3D shape is called a cylinder. Cylinder. We're going to circle or color in any shapes that are the cylinder. Be this one and this one. Next, circle the object that matches the description. 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. And if you remember studying our faces, edges, and vertices, that would be any rectangular prism or any cube. They both have 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. And so we would want to circle this present because that is a rectangular prism. The party hat and the blower look like they are cones, and the cup, the mug, is a cylinder. When you're done with page 790, please go on to page 791. All right, let's erase this out. And let's look at number 15. Caden's family is having pizza for dinner. There are 4 people in Caden's family. Draw lines to show how Caden's family should cut the pizza so that everyone gets an equal part. So if there's 4 people, we want to divide it up into 4 parts. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line down and a line across to try to give them 4 equal pieces. Number 16. Jamie drew a rectangle. He wants to partition it into equal sized squares. He starts to partition the rectangle. Finish partitioning his rectangle. Write the total number of squares. Explain your answer to a friend. So he started it for us, but we need to finish it. We need to break it up into the final squares that he needs. So I'm just going to take the line that he started and I'm going to bring it down for each one of those. And then I'm going to count up the squares. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's the area of that rectangle. There are 15 squares. Number 17, test practice. Blake has a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for lunch. He wants to share it with his 2 friends. Circle the word that tells how Blake should partition his sandwich. So if Blake has a sandwich and he wants to share it with 2 of his friends, you still have to include Blake. So we have Blake and his 2 friends, and they want to have equal pieces. So we need to divide that sandwich up into 3 equal parts. So we're going to draw 2 lines to give us 3 equal parts, and that would be considered thirds. When you are done with today's lesson, you can go on to our seesaw activity and finish up any of the other activities that we need you to do today. Great job, second grade.